Hey guys, what's up? It's Night Drop, and as you may or may not know, Minimax H3 released today, and it's a super powerful model. It's super fun to play around with. It does text to image, first frame, last frame workflows, references to image, video references, or references to video, video references to video, video editing, audio references to video. Again, it's a crazy powerful model. And while the default workflow is pretty good this time around, I decided it'd still be nice to have a node that lets you interact with it in a simpler way. So as a result, I made Simple H3. It's obviously a very early release, but I'm just going to quickly run through the workflow so you know roughly what to expect, what the buttons do, and you can go and have fun with it. So definitely click the link in the description to go play with it after watching this tutorial. So here's the standard Markdown node. It just has links to all of the models required. To KJ nodes in case you don't have KJ nodes again, or the Sage Attention in case you don't have Sage Attention. And you've got two different models. You've got the FL2VA model, which is for first frame, last frame workflows, or you've got the Ref2VA model, which is for the references workflows. So again, if you're selecting the references tab, just switch this model to Ref2VA. If you're over in this tab, again, you'll want a FL2VA model. The node is super simple because the model is so powerful that you don't have to condition it in a bunch of weird ways. So if you just want to go text to image, click here, type a prompt, pick your output settings and click run. If you want to use a first frame or first frame, last frame setup, click one of these buttons on the bottom here. Click the plus to open a file picker, or you can just drag and drop or Control V and paste a frame in there. That's about it for the first frame, last frame workflows. And then for references, it's pretty much the same setup with the big extra deal that you can add up to 9 references instead of only a first frame and a last frame. You can specify your reference images in your prompt by just adding pictures, selecting it in your prompt box, and clicking picture 1 or picture 2 or video 2. You can add videos to the timeline. And you can say use embedded audio, and then the audio is also a referenceable thing. You can also play back videos. You can trim videos by just dragging the handles. You can control scroll to select which section of the video trim you're going to be using. You can crop the video and say, I only want this part of the video to be my reference. No problem. You can add up to 3 video references, and you can also add audio references. In this case, you can reference the audio. You can select which part of the audio track you want to use. You can click play to get a preview, and you can add up to 3 audio tracks. Now, honestly, I could spend 5 more hours going over all of these settings and just like showing y'all test renders, but I think what's more fun is just telling you, go out there, experiment with it, download the node. So yeah, that's pretty much the full overview of Simple H3. As you can see, it's pretty simple. Beyond that, I also have the Sage Attention node here and the Easy Cache node. Now, both of these nodes are there because they improve performance. That being said, they might also degrade quality. Definitely experiment with them. Bypass if you find that they're degrading the quality too much, or if you don't have Sage Attention installed. For the Easy Cache node, the settings I saw recommended were online were 0.30, 0.20, and 0.90. That being said, play around with them. Honestly, the model is so new that everything's wide open field. Anyway, if this was useful to y'all, if y'all love the node, if y'all are playing around with the node, definitely give me a like, give me a subscribe, give me a follow. Check out my social media links. Dap me up. Anyway, since the model is so new, I'll probably be updating this node. So just click updates plus more to get linked to the updates. That's about it, really. That's about it. So again, if this node is useful to you, like, comment, subscribe. Definitely show me the stuff that you make with this. Follow me on my socials. Dap your boy up. Anyway, I hope this was useful to y'all. Peace. Looking forward to seeing what y'all do with this.